Alright, you guys, I'm trying out these Meta glasses. I just got the car back today, actually. It's been at a body shop for 2 weeks. It's been at my dealership for another 2 weeks. Had to change out the radiator and a whole bunch of other stuff. So, thousands of dollars later, here we are. But I definitely don't miss being inside of a rental, man. I miss this car. I miss it being super light and being able to just cut through traffic. So, we're trying out these Meta glasses today. I usually use my GoPro, but I was like, let me just try this out, you know? So this is what we're gonna do. Come on, come on. But yeah, drivers in Florida are the worst. If you don't know, someone hit my car at a red light last month, so that's why C8 was down for a minute. But we're back and better. Let's just cut around these people. But yeah, when I had the loaner car, that was terrible, man. That was terrible. I do not miss that Jeep at all. I think it was a Chevy Trailblazer. I do not miss that thing at all. It was great on gas though, but I do not miss that. The only thing I wish with these Meta glasses is that they recorded in landscape, like horizontal. Because it's cool having the POV shot that's vertical and everything, but I hate the fact that, you know, it should give you the option to post both style of videos. This way you can have one for TikTok and you can have one for YouTube. So let's do a pull under here. I'm trying to do a pull for you guys right now. Haven't had the car in a minute, but we're gonna do a pull under this tunnel. Alright guys, first day back with the car. We missed my baby, so let's do a pull right under this little bridge over here. The lights in Florida are so long. Come on, there we go. Let's see. It might just be a baby one because, let's see. I missed my car. Oh, I miss this car so much. But yeah, these glasses are so convenient, like, especially since it actually looks normal. When you got a GoPro strapped to your head, people are staring at you like you're insane. All of my YouTubers who record POVs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When you wear a GoPro, people are staring at you like, what is wrong with you? But look, you got the glasses on, the Meta glasses, they don't even care. That guy's moving that truck though. Yeah, I'm about to go for a nice little jog in this park real quick. Oh, we got a trooper right there. Oh yeah, he probably gonna catch so many people today. He's gonna catch so many people. Alright guys, we're almost at the destination. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the best feeling is getting your car back from the dealership. Your car drives like new. Like right now, my car is driving like the first day I got it, honestly. And it's funny, usually my dealership, they fix my car like the most 2-3 days, but it took them like a week because they had to wait for parts to come in and stuff. So what can you do, right? Some things you can't control, some things you can't control. So yeah, this park is one of my favorite parks. They got so many different trails. If you don't feel like running up there, you can run by the pond. If you don't want to run on concrete, you can run in the grass. It's just so many. It's like so many things here that people could do. So it's one of my favorite parks to go jog at. Alright, made it to my destination. Here we go. Ooh, up a little bit. Go a little bit. Alright, I'm about to go get this jogging, and we'll catch you guys on the flip side.